Sometimes I know it feels like you ain't gonna make it, but you gotta keep pushing so you really can make it.
All right, y'all, so I'm gonna do some soup for my baby. He wants some soup, so I'm doing some hamburger soup. I got some onion. I'm about to burn up. I got my carrots, my green beans. This all from the can. I got some diced tomatoes, a little bit of broccoli and corn. I never put broccoli in my soup, y'all, but I'm doing it today. So I got a little bit of corn that I had. Yeah, we're about to get this in the pan. So let's get started. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it quick and easy. Okay, so I got my onion in, y'all. Set them. Get them browned up. Very nice. I usually put bell pepper in here too, like red and green. But I don't have any, so I'm just using onion today. Alright, we're gonna add a pound of ground beef. Yeah. 1 pound. Yeah, 1 pound of ground beef, y'all. It's 1.5 pounds. So my bad. 1.5 pounds of ground beef. We're gonna get that all browned up. I'm gonna season it. Let me show y'all what I season my ground beef with, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got some garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes. I got some seasoning salt. It's from Wheeler's, a little store that's around here. They got good seasoning, y'all. And some black pepper. All right, we got that seasoned, and we're gonna brown it up, y'all. Oh, yeah. So I drained the grease off and I re-seasoned my meat. I always go back and re-season it. I don't know why I do that, but I do it all the time. So I re-season it. I'm gonna add my corn and broccoli in first. Like I told you, I never use broccoli just to see how it tastes. So I add that first. Okay, so next we're gonna add our green beans. 1 can. 1 can. So juice and all, I add my juice because I want to. I usually drain them though, but this time I just want to add it. So I'm going to add my carrots next. Next goes the carrots. Got all the veggies in, then I'm going to add my canned tomatoes. Yes. And I'm going to add I got a tomato basil. So we're going to add our tomato basil pasta sauce. So I got all the veggies in, y'all. Everything. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. Just a little. And I'm going to season just a little bit more to my taste. You season to your taste. So I'm seasoning just a little bit more to my taste. I'm going to taste it first and then I'm going to season it. And I'm going to let this cook down for about 30 to 40 minutes. And I'll show y'all what I got when I come back. So, yeah. Simple little hamburger soup. Be back. So I forgot to tell y'all I added a little bit of parsley and just a drop of oil. A little bit of cooking oil in the middle, y'all, and I'm gonna stir this up. Look at that. It's already looking a bomb, you know what I'm saying? So stir that in there. You can add a little bacon grease to it too if you want to, but I didn't. So, yeah. A little bit of cooking oil right in the middle. And I'm gonna cover this up, y'all, and give it 30 to 40 minutes. You can even let it go for an hour if you want to, but I'm just gonna go 30 to 40 minutes and I'll show y'all what it looks like when I come back. Alrighty, y'all, so it's been 30 minutes. I'll turn it down a little bit. Turn it down a tad. Let's see what it's looking like. Oh, I want to just make sure that broccoli was all the way ready. Looks like it's done. Alright. Alright, we'll turn it down, y'all. But it is ready. Y'all see all the vegetables? Look at that. It's all ready. I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna cut it on low and I'm gonna let it simmer for about 5 minutes. There it is, y'all. All done. Y'all a little up close of it. There it is, y'all. It's done. Broccoli is done. And that's how you make it, y'all. Make you some. It is so good and it's quick. And it'll fill your whole family up. So, thank you guys for watching again. Another little short video. Yeah, thank y'all so much. I love you guys. Keep subscribing to the channel so y'all girl can go up. A road to 5K. We almost there, y'all. Thank y'all so much. Y'all been so supportive. I love you guys. I will catch y'all in the next video. And good cooking.